Hello, you beautiful people. Today is another episode of UncleCode Review, and we're gonna go and review another student code and get surprised by amazing things that you can do by learning codings. Hello, Maysam and Ash.
Hello. How
How are
are
you?
you? Fine.
Good.
Okay, I wish you guys have done very good coding today after waking up till now, and you plan to do more interesting codings for the rest of the day and the week before we end the year 2021. So, Ash, we're gonna go through one of our students and explain to us who is this student.
All right. So today we're gonna go into the girls coding part of Kidocode, the girls coder. So today we are going to review one of the codes created by Naerah. She is 11 years old and she joined in 2019.
2019, one of our
Yes.
girl. She's popular and famous. I have seen her many more times. That's great,
Yeah.
Naerah. Okay, hello, dear Naerah. What we're gonna do? We picked up one of your code, one of your interesting code, and we're gonna see what you've done. So I shared the screen. So let's go through the code. Let's see what she is down. OTM. I don't know what means the OTM. What? Well, your total name is OTM or is Tom? But maybe O and T change. That's fun. So ultimate or Tom. This is a Tom in a secret way, guys. So nice. You created a leaf. Wow, interesting.
Nice.
Nice idea. You created your
Yeah.
data beforehand. 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. And then you went through the list. Wow, interesting. You use the index. I like this coding. Although I can make it smaller, but I like this one because this one is very pure. It's C style. It's interesting. It's interesting. So then the width and then forward 100. And then so let's run the code. Very interesting and playing around with the thickness. Well done.
Looks
Very
good.
unique. Very unique. You did few things very rare, and typically I may suggest some people to play around with the thickness, which you did it. You created your data in an array beforehand in a loop is really nice. You use the list counter as an index to get access to elements within the array. This is the original way of playing around with the array without using Python, some built-in facilities. So it means you understood everything. Well done, really well done. I really love this way of coding. I don't want to change your code, but I want to just say what we can do better in Python. But I like this one because this is what you're going to do in other languages. So here you can write. You see 100, 150, 200, 250. You can use the range function and say, I'm going to start range. Okay, I'm going to go from 100 to 301 because we want 300 each solve. And then we're going to say 50 by 50. So first 100, then the next will be 150, then 200, 250, and 300, which what you've done it here. And then because you're not, you see, you created a count because you wanted to have access to elements, but you can have direct access to elements. So that means you can write the way in width, let's say. So here you're going to write this one. You don't need to create the index because the only reason you need the index is to get access to elements within the array. So it's better to not create in a kind of extra variable and then directly pick up elements from the array. So now here, I will just do that. So we're going to get something very interesting here. Very nice code. Very interesting. Very interesting.
Good job.
Really good job.
Yeah.
Now
Well
I like because especially the writing like this, it means understanding of how these elements are working together. It's really nice. How old is she now? I forgot.
She is now 11 years old.
Fantastic, beautiful. You should start your business and build an app before age 18, definitely.
Yeah.
That's great. Well
Well
done.
at that age.
Well done. Amazing, amazing.
Good.
You are a programmers. Well done, well done.